Demand management is the coordinated process of understanding, influencing, planning, and fulfilling customer demand in a manner that aligns organizational objectives with supply chain capabilities. Demand itself represents the quantity of products or services customers are willing and able to purchase at a given time and price. Effective demand management seeks to balance demand with available supply while maximizing customer satisfaction and organizational profitability. Rather than simply reacting to customer orders, organizations proactively shape and manage demand through forecasting, marketing, sales, product management, and operational planning. This integrated approach helps reduce uncertainty, improve resource utilization, minimize inventory imbalances, and create a more responsive and efficient supply chain environment. Demand management consists of several interconnected activities, including planning demand, communicating demand information, influencing demand behavior, and managing or prioritizing demand when constraints exist. Planning establishes expected future demand through forecasting and market analysis. Communication ensures that demand information is shared across functions and supply chain partners. Demand influencing uses marketing and sales activities to shape customer purchasing behavior. Demand prioritization becomes necessary when demand exceeds available supply, requiring organizations to determine which products, customers, or markets receive priority. These components operate as a continuous cycle rather than isolated activities. Effective integration among them enables organizations to align customer expectations with operational capabilities and strategic business objectives. The demand planning process relies on numerous inputs that help organizations develop accurate and actionable forecasts. Inputs commonly include historical sales data, customer orders, market research, economic conditions, competitive intelligence, promotional plans, product life cycle information, and feedback from sales and marketing teams. These inputs are analyzed to create a demand plan, which serves as a formal projection of future demand over a specified planning horizon. The demand plan provides guidance for production scheduling, procurement, inventory management, capacity planning, and financial forecasting. By consolidating information from multiple sources, the demand plan becomes a critical decision-making tool that supports cross-functional coordination and enables organizations to respond effectively to changing market conditions. Communication is a vital element of demand management because inaccurate, delayed, or incomplete information can disrupt supply chain performance. Best practices emphasize communicating demand-related information as early as possible to minimize surprises and allow adequate preparation. Structured communication processes ensure that critical information is consistently shared among stakeholders through established meetings, reports, and planning cycles. Effective communication must also be tailored to the audience, recognizing that executives, operations personnel, suppliers, and sales teams require different levels of detail and focus. Organizations that establish clear communication channels improve collaboration, reduce misunderstandings, enhance responsiveness, and create greater alignment between demand expectations and supply capabilities throughout the enterprise and supply chain network. The Plan Do Check Act (PDCA) model provides a valuable framework for continuous improvement in demand management and demand influencing activities. During the planning phase, organizations establish objectives, forecasts, and promotional strategies. The Do phase involves implementing these plans through marketing campaigns, pricing actions, sales initiatives, or operational adjustments. In the Check phase, organizations evaluate results by comparing actual outcomes with expectations and identifying performance gaps. The Act phase focuses on implementing corrective actions and incorporating lessons learned into future planning cycles. This feedback loop ensures that demand management activities remain adaptive and evidence-based. By applying PDCA principles, organizations continuously refine forecasting accuracy, marketing effectiveness, and overall supply chain performance. The 4 Ps of marketing, product, price, place, and promotion play a central role in demand management within customer-focused organizations. Product decisions determine the features, quality, and value proposition offered to customers. Price influences customer purchasing behavior and demand levels by affecting perceived value and affordability. Place refers to distribution channels and product availability, ensuring that customers can conveniently access desired products or services. Promotion encompasses advertising, sales incentives, public relations, and other activities designed to increase awareness and stimulate demand. Together, the 4Ps provide organizations with powerful tools for shaping customer behavior, balancing supply and demand, and supporting broader business and supply chain objectives. Product life cycle stages significantly influence demand characteristics, operational requirements, and supply chain design decisions. During product introduction, demand is uncertain, forecasting relies heavily on qualitative methods, and supply chains require flexibility and responsiveness. Growth stage products experience increasing demand, requiring scalable production and distribution capabilities. Mature products generally have stable demand patterns, enabling greater emphasis on efficiency, cost control, and dependable supply. During decline, organizations focus on inventory reduction, cost management, and end-of-life strategies. Each stage presents unique challenges and opportunities for supply chain management. Understanding life cycle dynamics helps organizations select appropriate forecasting approaches, inventory policies, sourcing strategies, and capacity planning methods throughout a product's market existence. Product Lifecycle Management, PLM, supports demand management by providing a structured approach to managing products from initial concept through end-of-life disposition. PLM integrates product development, engineering, manufacturing, supply chain, quality, and service functions to ensure that products are designed with customer requirements and supply chain capabilities in mind. During early design phases, PLM facilitates collaboration that improves manufacturability, sustainability, and supply chain efficiency. Throughout the product's life, PLM maintains detailed product records that support traceability, regulatory compliance, quality management, and continuous improvement. At end of life, PLM assists with product retirement, recycling, disposal, and replacement planning. As a result, PLM enhances visibility, coordination, and strategic decision-making across the entire product lifecycle.